Mike Hughes here. I'm at Leeward Look, and I'm here with David, the face of the company, apparently. And we're going to talk about some new products you have this year at DEMA.
Absolutely. Well, this is our first year at DEMA, so everything here is new. We are a aquatic themed apparel company. We do clothes for diving, fishing, sailing, anything else on the water. We feature artwork from independent artists all over the world.
Oh, okay.
And 1% of the proceeds goes back to the artist whose artwork is featured on the clothes. We also do full customization, so we do a lot of work for dive shops. They can put their logo on the shirt if they want. We make all of our cut and sew stuff in Philadelphia. We use dye sublimation printing, so we have the best color and detail possible. And yeah, we're really passionate about making good quality clothes. We do a lot of research before we launch a new item. And yeah, we put a lot of pride into what we do. I actually, my first business was a dive shop. So the first time I came to DEMA was, I guess, 11 years ago. And yeah, now I'm back, but not as a dive shop, as a clothing company. So.
Anything on fabrics, basically, any print or colors?
Just about, yeah. So those behind us there are tapestries.
Yeah.
This is a beach towel.
Okay.
This is a pair of leggings that we make. Really nice leggings with flat lock stitching. We do gaiters, tube scarves, that kind of stuff.
Okay.
But our main bread and butter is casual shirts like you see me wearing, or like performance UPF 50 fabrics like this.
Right, I like this shark. I think the manatee will make me look fat. But so if they want more information about your products, they would go to
leewardlook.com. Our Instagram is also Leeward Look, so we're easy to find.
Perfect. Thank you very much.